Well, howdy there, folks. We got ourselves a goddamn problem there this morning. I'll just show you what the problem is. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. We got ourselves a goddamn flat tire. You goddamn flat tire, you. Now then, what we gotta find ourselves here, we gotta find ourselves why we got this goddamn puncture. Oh my goodness gracious me. I think I found Sean, boy. I found the problem. That there be the problem. Luckily for us now, see, we've got ourselves a confounded goddamn configuring, puncture repairing, fixing, kitten thinging in the back of the bike here, see. I've never done this before. So stick around and let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. We'll get back to you real soon now. Oh. So, yeah, first things first. Hold on. Okay. So, yeah, that's a good point there. We have to... in the toolkit is a pair of pliers. Okay, so we're going to pretend we're not in a garage. We're going to pretend we're not in a garage equipped with various tools. We're going to pretend we're at the goddamn roadside, Sean. The goddamn roadside. We're going to pretend we're at the goddamn roadside. And all we've got, apart from phoning the goddamn RAC up, is a goddamn toolkit that came with a goddamn bag. Oh my goodness, there ain't no pliers. But, yo, what we got is a goddamn positive screwdriver. So, let's see. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. I do believe. Right. Oh, that's a mean puncture. Where'd you pick that up? Oh! Okay, so let's take a look at the goddamn instructions. That's looking about right. So what we got to do, we got to put the goddamn puncture thing in the goddamn puncture hole. So the goddamn puncture thing's in the goddamn puncture hole. And what we got to do is make the hole bigger. Make it bigger. So the goddamn puncture tube, puncture patch and puncture patch goes in. And that there is a bigger hole. You've just made the hole goddamn bigger. My accent's failing. Okay. Step 1 completed. Now then, step 2. We've got to get ourselves one of these goddamn here, these goddamn puncture plugs. Just like so. And then we've got to cover it in all the gunky stuff. We haven't got a bottle. Okie dokie. So let's cover this all in the goddamn gunky stuff. Covering in the gunky stuff. Don't, oh no, don't get it on the goddamn back. Oh, it's going goddamn everywhere. Say there, Shawnee boy. Do you think that looks enough? Shawnee boy? Talk to me, boy. Talk to me, boy. I can't hear you. Do you think that's enough? Say yeah. Say yeah, Pops. Papa, that's more than enough, man. Dude, it's more than enough. Now, going back to this guy's goddamn instructions, we just gotta shove this in. We gotta just shove it in and pull the goddamn thing back out. Here goes. This is my first time, man. This is my first time shoving the goddamn pluggy puncture plug in to fix the goddamn pluggy puncture. Oh, that's just split it. It just goddamn split it. Well, might as well shove some of the gunky glue in the goddamn gunky hole. Oh, okay. Why, thank you, young man. That's kind of doing up a candid there. Thank you very much. Oh my good God. Well, okay. Let's waste some more of the goddamn gunky blue stuff. Vulcarizing, rubberizing, semizerizing, stickerizing, gunky glue. Now, you tell me, boy. Tell me when I got enough on here. Come on. Say, that's enough there, Pa. Shawnee boy. Shawnee boy. Can't hear you. Talk to me, boy. I need to know if this is enough goddamn gunky blue stuff. Oh, my good God. Does that look enough? Talk to me, boy. I got those blue fingers. Feeling those blue. Okay. Take number goddamn 2 now. Oh, I'm not liking that. It's just cutting it. It's just cutting it. Why is it cutting it? Is that it? Right. We'll leave that to dry. Cut it off. Blow it up. See if it works. Now then, in the instructions, we then have these little canisters of air. I don't think there's enough air in there to blow up that goddamn tire. It's too goddamn small. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. There's enough goddamn air in that goddamn pipe to fill up that goddamn tube. But in the instructions, you got to use the goddamn contraption. And nope, You got to goddamn screw that under goddamn there, and then you put that under there, and you and it blows it up. But we ain't gonna do that today. Say, why not, Papa? Say, why not, Papa? We're gonna use goddamn foot pump. Because even though we're just pretending we're at the side of the road, that's what you would use, obviously. But why waste one when we've got the goddamn foot pump? In the kit, we should have ourselves a razor blade. And we use the razor blade, and we cut the goddamn nipple off. Did you say nipple, Pa? Yes, son, I did. we gotta cut the goddamn nipple off. Don't use the nipple word. Oh, come on. I tell you, boy, this is some tough nipple. There we go. It's a sticky nipple. It's a goddamn sticky nipple. $40. So there we go, folks. We pumped our tire up, and we got the 40 PSI. And that's it. So we're gonna leave it. Go to bed, guys. We'll wake up in the morning. We'll see if the goddamn puncture thing's goddamn fixed. McGon did so much goddamn pumping. Goddamn broke. Goddamn pump. Well, howdy, folks. So here we go. The goddamn moment of truth. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited. It's looking like it's working. There we go. 40 PSI. The goddamn puncturizing, fixerizing, pasteurizing has worked. Success. Now all we gotta do, go to the goddamn garage, buy a goddamn new tire.